Hi guys, I'm Johnny from the Physios in Sheffield. Here are my top 3 exercises for headaches and neck pain. So the first exercise, place the backs of your hands on your thighs, or even better if you have an armchair. Back your hands on your thighs, and you're going to press some light pressure through your thighs by depressing your shoulder blades. Try not to use your tricep muscles, you're trying to do it through your shoulder blades and depress them. And then 4 movements. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, some light pressure through the backs of your hands using your shoulder blades. And then 4 movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try not to stop in the middle, and also only move within your comfortable range. So don't go through pain. If you get any pain at all, stop and go the other way. So laid on a hard surface, carpeted floor would be ideal as opposed to your bed. Place a rolled up towel behind your head, and you want to have your head sort of comfortable, not too far down and not too far up. And in this position, you want to take your head to the bottom of the yes movement. So a little nod to the bottom of that movement, and then push the back of your head into the towel. And you're going to hold that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, at the bottom of the yes movement, and then press down into the towel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 things to note about this exercise. The first thing is that this muscle at the front of your neck is called the sternocleidomastoid, and you want to make sure that that's really soft when you're doing the exercise. So when you put this on, just check that this muscle isn't really hard like this. You want to make, and the other thing to say is that you may have noticed that my voice changed a little bit when I was counting down when I was doing the exercise. That's because this exercise may feel a little bit choky deep in your throat, and that's exactly the muscles we're trying to initiate. These are called the deep cervical flexors, and they're really deep in your throat. And the deep cervical exercise is a difficult exercise to get right. And to ask people to do it for 10 repetitions 10 times a day is a really big ask. You can, once you get good at it, change so it's a bit more manageable. So for example, you can do this exercise in sitting. So again, the bottom of the yes, and try and push your neck backwards. Again, note that I don't have this all tight at the front, and also you'll hear that my voice has changed slightly. Again, this is a 10-second hold, it's 10 repetitions, and it's 10 times every day. A further progression of the deep cervical exercise is to do it in this position. This is the position that we would call 4-point kneeling. And essentially, your hands are under your shoulders and your knees are under your pelvis. Okay. The bottom of the yes movement, and draw your neck backwards for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, top tip with this one, try your very best when you relax after doing your 10-second hold not to drop your head down. So after your 10-second hold, you can relax again, but try not to drop.